2016 has been a year of tumultuous social injustice and human rights abuses. From Syria to Brazil, Russia to Burundi, governments around the world have broken fundamental international laws that are there to protect us.
For those living under China's rule, human rights conditions have continued on a steep downward spiral.
While international attention has been focused on key political upheavals in Europe and North America and great tragedy in the Middle East, the extraordinary people and organizations that form the global Tibetan movement have steadfastly continued to highlight the situation and atrocities happening in Tibet.
Together we have called China out about its occupation of Tibet and its failure to allow basic human rights, from the detention of human rights defender Tashi Wanchuk to the destruction taking place at the renowned Buddhist Institute Larungar and the inhumane evictions and public humiliation of Tibetan monks and nuns.
We have worked together to show the strengths of Tibetans in Tibet. We've highlighted many of the thousands of Tibetan political prisoners held by China. And in honor of one of the great Tibetan leaders, sadly no longer with us today, we founded the Tenzin Rinpoche Medal of Courage, an annual medal to be awarded to a Tibetan political prisoner.
In this inaugural year, the Medal of Courage was awarded to Rishi Children, a retired medical doctor who was sentenced to 15 years for allegedly sharing information about 2008 Tibetan uprisings.
Tibet groups have protested visiting Chinese leaders, taking groundbreaking legal action, and won important legislative victories. Collectively, we have met, trained, and strategized. We have strengthened our advocacy at the United Nations Human Rights Council and have worked more closely than ever with our Chinese, Uyghur, and Mongolian brothers and sisters.
In 2017, International Tibet Network will continue to support and coordinate campaigns with Tibet groups around the world for Tibetan freedom.
This will include helping to increase active involvement of groups at the UN Human Rights Council and building a greater pressure on China by highlighting Xi Jinping's failed Tibet policies at the conclusion of his first term in the office next year. We'll also embark on an important strategic review so we can be sure we are promoting the most effective possible campaigns.
International Tibet Network exists solely to support and help to maximise the effectiveness of Tibet groups around the world. And we take this opportunity to thank everyone for their ceaseless efforts and fantastic support. We send our best wishes for the holiday season and our promise to do even more in 2017 to help Tibet.